Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my husband's Stitch Fix box. He got his first box in December, and so he was offered 3 months of free styling. So we decided to go ahead and do it a couple more months to see if he can get some new items to add to his wardrobe. But for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service where you pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You fill out a style profile, and then a stylist chooses 5 items to send to you in your box. Those items can be clothing, it can be shoes, it can be accessories, jackets, whatever you want. The items get shipped to you for free, and then you try them on in the comfort of your own home. Anything that you decide to keep, that $20 styling fee does get applied to what you keep. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount on the entire box, and then you get to apply that $20 styling fee in addition to that as well. Anything that you decide not to keep, you just ship back in the prepaid mailer that they give you, and it's super convenient and super easy. So we're gonna get into this box to see what my husband got for this month. I can't get him to try the clothes on in front of the camera, so this is the way we're gonna do it. But this is that prepaid mailer that I talked about, that you can send anything back that you don't want. Also, if you have to do any exchanges, this is the bag that you're gonna use. You get an envelope, and inside the envelope is the price invoice sheet, which we will set to the side. And then you get a well hello there card, which is your stylist card and your stylist note, and it gives you the style suggestions for the 5 items that are in the box. And so his note says, "Hey there, Scott, Happy New Year. I hope this fix finds you basking in the post-holiday glow and celebrating a fabulous start to 2020. Thank you for your valuable feedback from your first fix and also your request for today's. Let's first start with these versatile Chino pants by Flag and Anthem. They will be nice for wearing to church, and they'll have a relaxed fit that you'll enjoy. Plus, the color is so versatile. I've included a couple more dress shirts as well, and they're a little less spendy than the ones in your first fix." We did end up keeping those 2 shirts. One of them was very pricey, but he really liked it. So both are versatile styles that you can wear to church, but they also look great with a pair of jeans too. The light purple button down looks great layered under the Crewneck sweater from Red L by Alesbury. It, along with the buttons ups, are Stitch Fix exclusive items you won't find anywhere else. Enjoy, Lori." And so here is his style card, and I love how it tells you how to pair the items that you get in your box. And so this is what his bundle looks like. It's got some dress shirts, and there's the dress pants that they were talking about. So first item in the box is by Rye by Hawker Rye. It is a long sleeve button down t-shirt in light purple, and he is tall, so they actually sent these in tall. But this is just a nice button-down dress shirt, soft, cuff sleeves, and he doesn't mind wearing purple or pink, so I think he'll probably like that shirt. Next in the box is a Stitch Fix exclusive, and it is by Red L by Alesbury. It is the Geary brushed herringbone shirt in navy, and it is also in a tall size. And so it kind of has this plaid print. Kind of looks like, I can't tell, it looks like a yellow and a red in it. The cuff sleeve, and it's really kind of soft. Good for winter. So yeah, I think he'll like that one too. Next is also by Red L by Alesbury, Riverside Crewneck sweater in light gray. Now this is the one I'm not sure if he'll like it. It's basically just a light gray crewneck sweater. It's got that little V right here in the front. Yeah, just a basic gray pullover. Next is I can't tell what the brand name is. It says 01.ALGO. Never heard of that before. But it is the, I think it says Boulder Fair Trade Performance Thermal Energy, thermal something. Henley, thermal Henley. And it says it's in black. It almost looks like a like a dark green to me. Doesn't quite look black to me, but maybe it does to you guys. So yeah, it's got the cuff. It has that thermal texture to it, if you can see that up close. It's got the 3 buttons at the neck. It's soft, so he might like that. And then last but not least is the Flag and Anthem Portland Chino. And it says it's in khaki, but it really looks kind of brown. So it's just a basic pair of brown Chino pants. We had to adjust his length last time because I had put in the wrong length. He needs a 32 and I had put in a 30. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna have him try everything on and then I'll come back to tell you what he thinks about everything. I'll be right back. All right guys, I am back after my husband has tried everything on and it was a pretty good box for him. So let's go ahead and talk about each item. So the first item was by Herringbone, the long sleeve button down shirt. This is the light purple one and it was in a tall. Now the only thing that we noticed is a tall is a little long in the arms for him, but you can cuff the sleeves if you need to. And I think when you wash it, it might shrink a little bit. So this shirt was $48 and he really ended up liking that. So that'll be a good dress shirt for church. Next was the Red L by Alesbury Riverside Crewneck in the light gray. And this one, when I showed him the picture in the, you know, like you can preview before it comes, he wasn't sure if he was gonna like it, but he actually really ended up liking that. So I think he was pleasantly surprised by that. And that one was also $48. She did a much better job of keeping the prices more reasonable. And I'm thrilled about that. Next was the Flag and Anthem Portland Chino in khaki, and this is to me almost like really like a brown. I guess khaki can be all kinds of different colors, but these pants were $59.50 and they fit him perfectly, and so he liked those. Next was this brand 01.Algo Boulder Fair Trade Performance Thermal Henley. And this was another one that when I showed him on the preview, he wasn't sure if he was gonna like it, but this is actually really nice. And it's dressy enough, I think, to wear with those chino pants to wear to church. So to wear it casually or for church. So that was $49. And then the last item was the Red L by Alesbury Geary brushed herringbone shirt in navy. And this one was also in a tall, and like I said with the purple one, the sleeves were a touch long, but overall the fit was great everywhere else. So, and the cost of that shirt was $48. So the last box, you know, we had shirts that were $100 and things like that, and so she did a much better job of keeping those prices down. So the stylist pick subtotal was $252.50. If you buy all 5 items, you get that 25% discount, which is $63.13, which leaves me with an order subtotal of $189.37. We don't have the $20 styling credit because they got the 3 months for free, and so the final total was $189.37. So I think this is a 5 for 5 box for him, and we are very pleased with everything he got in the box. I am going to leave my referral link down below. I've had a $50 credit referral that you can click on and get $50 towards your first box, which has been great. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments box below, and until next time, bye guys.